Hello kids, welcome back. Yesterday we have finished our worksheet based on addition. Now we will start our chapter 3, that is subtraction. Subtraction, this chapter or this concept is not new for you all. You have read about subtraction in your class 1 and 2. Subtraction is also known as takeaways. So, let us start subtraction with a very easy numbers. But before starting subtraction, let us go through some of the terms related to subtraction. Okay, let us start. Okay. So, subtraction, we denote subtraction with this sign. So, there are basically three terms in subtraction. The first one is minuend, second is subtrahend, and last one is difference. So, the number from which we take away another number is called minuend, or we can say the greater number in subtraction in between two numbers, the greater number is called minuend and the smaller one is called subtrahend. And the answer that we get by subtracting is called difference. So, greater number is called minuend, smaller number is called subtrahend, and the answer that we get is called difference. So, in that way, suppose 18 minus 16 or minus 5, 7, when you take away 5 from 7, what you will get? So let us start this with a very easy method that you have learned in your class 1 and class 2 by making lines. 7 minus 5. So let us draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And from 7, how much we have to subtract? 5. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 5, how much do we have now? 2. 7 minus 5, we get 2. So, kid, in this question, tell me which number is minuend, which is subtrahend, and which is difference. So, I have just told you that the greater number in the number sentence of subtraction, the greater number is minuend. So, which is greater number, 7 or 5? 7 is greater number, so this is minuend. 5 is smaller number, so this is subtrahend. And 2 is the outcome. 2 is the answer. So 2 is difference. Okay. Let us understand this with the help of one more example. Suppose I take two number 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, what we will get? 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Or take away 3 from 8. What we will get? Let us do this by drawing sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how much we have to subtract? 3. 1, 2, 3. How much we have remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now. So again, 8 minus 3 we are having 5. 8 minus 3 we will get 5. So 8 is the greater number. So this will be minuend. 3 is the smaller number. So 3 will be subtrahend. And 5 is the outcome. 5 is the answer. So 5 will be difference. Okay. Okay, kids. So this is basic information about subtraction. Now, in this class, in class 3, you all are already introduced with 4-digit number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So in this class, we will do subtraction up to 4-digit. Okay? Okay. Let us start. So, we will read first subtraction without borrowing. We will read subtraction without borrowing. Okay. So, what are the steps that we need to follow? First step. Place the number being subtracted under the number being subtracted from, so that place value in the same column match. So, like in addition, here also we have to pay attention of writing number in their correct place value holders. Okay? It is required. Otherwise, our question will be wrong. So, what we have to do? We have to place the number according to their place value. Now, subtract each column separately starting from ones. Subtract each column separately starting with the ones. In addition also, we have always started from the right hand side, that is from ones place. Write the result of the subtraction below each column. So, now after subtracting, what we have to do? We have to write the result in each column. Okay. So, first I will start with example. Then we will move toward question. Okay. Suppose I take two number 423 minus 1, 2, 2. So what we have to do first? First we will write their place values, that is ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Now read this number. Which number is greater? 423 is greater. So we will write the greater number in first column. That means we have to write 423 in first column. Now, what next we will write? 122. Now, as we have just read in the instruction, we will start from ones place. We will start from ones place. We will start from right hand side. We will subtract. We will do take away, and then we will write answer in the given columns. Okay, now. So, what we are having here? 3. 3 minus 2, what we will get? So this you can do by finger counting also. Take out 3 fingers. Take out 3 fingers. Now close 2 fingers. How much do you get? 1. 3 minus 2 will give us 1. Now at tens place we are having 2. At tens place we are having 2. So take out 2 finger now. And what we have to subtract from 2? We have to subtract 2 from 2. So 2 minus 2 we will get 0. Now which number is there at hundredth place? 4. 4. Now 4 minus 1 we will get 3. So our answer will be 301. Our answer will be 301. Now, so tell me, which number here is minuend, which number is septuagint, and what is the difference? I have just told you that the greater number is minuend. So which number is greater, 423 or 122? This is greater. So this number will be minuend. 122 is smaller. This will be subtrahend. And the answer that we got is difference. Okay? Great. Let us take an example of 4-digit number. So 8, 7, 6, 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. What we will do first of all? What we will do? We will first of all write place value. So our first number is 8,764. 8,764. Now subtracting 1,234. Again I am telling you that it is very important to write the number at their appropriate place value. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. It is necessary for you to write the number at their exact place value chart. Okay now. So, we will start from which position? Ones place. We will start from ones place. So we are having 4 at ones place. Now take out 4 fingers. And subtract 4 from 4. You are having 4 finger. Take out 4 finger. Now close all those 4 finger. How much finger is there? 0. Now 6. 6 minus 3. How much you will get when you subtract 3 from 6? Suppose you are having 6 toffees and you gave 3 toffee to your best friend. How many toffee will remain with you? 3. Now 7 minus 2. So again, suppose you are having 7 chocolate and you gave 2 chocolate to your younger brother. How much chocolate will remain with you? 5. And 8 here. 8 minus 1. What you will get when you subtract 1 from 8? What you will get when you take away 1 from 8? Or what is the predecessor of 8? Let me remind you that also. We have read successor and predecessor, right? So what will be the predecessor of 8? 7. In predecessor also we were subtracting 1 from the numbers. So 8 minus 1 we will get 7. So here we are having 7,530. Here we are having 7,530 as our answer. So I hope 4-digit subtraction is clear to you all without borrowing, without regrouping. Now let us do some of the questions. So here I am having a worksheet. We will solve that. Starting from the first question, 958 minus 226. We will start from which position? We will start from ones. Then we will move toward tens and finally toward 100. Now 958. So take out 8 finger. Do subtraction. 8 minus 6. How much we will get? If we subtract 8 minus 6. Count after 6. After how many steps you will get 8? 8 minus 6. Count after 6. After how many steps you will get 8? 7, 8. After 2 steps. So we will write here 8 minus 6 we will get 2. Now next is 5 minus 2. How much we will get? Subtract 2 from 5. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5. After how many steps do we get 5? 3. So 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Now 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After how many steps? 7 steps. After 7 steps. So our answer will be 732. Our answer will be 732. 32. Okay. Now, moving toward next question. Now we will do this question. So, at ones place we are having 8. At ones place we are having 8. So, 8 minus 7 we will get 8 minus 7 we will get 1. At tens place we are having 9 minus 4. Subtracting 4 from 9 we will get. Subtract 4 from 9, what we will get? We will get 5. And 9 minus 3. Now subtracting 3 from 9, what we will get? 6. So our answer will be, at tens place we are having 5 and at hundredth place we are having 6. 651. Okay kids. Now I want you to solve this question by your own. Do this question right now and then I will tell you the answer and you will match your answer with mine. And you can check it whether your answer is correct or not. Solve this question in your copy. 998 minus 353. Now solve this question in your copy. Have you completed? Do this fast. So, for this question 998 minus 353, my answer is 5 at ones place, 4 at tens place and 6 at hundredth place. Now tell me whether you all have got the same answer. Yes, you all have got the same answer. Good. Now kid, try this question. This one. First you will try this answer and then I will tell you the correct answer. So you will match your answer with mine. Completed? Okay, let us see. Now, my answer is 3, 2 and 4. 423. So tell me whether you all have got the same answer. Okay, great. Now, quickly solve these two questions in your copy. Solve this question in your copy. Yes, do it fast. Don't waste your time. This question and this question. Solve this question fast. Completed? Okay. So now, my answer for this question is 5, 1 and how much? Yes, 6. Now, my answer for this question is 5, 3 and 4. Match your answer, whether you all have got the same answer or not. Okay, great, good job. Let us move ahead. So here I am having one more worksheet. Subtracting 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay. I want you all to try this question. Try this question. 722 minus 521. 722 minus 521. Solve this question. Okay. So my answer for this question is 2 minus 1. We will get 1. 2 minus 2 we will get 0. And 7 minus 5 we will get 2. 201. 201 is my answer. So tell me whether you all have got the same answer. Okay. Now do one more question. Question number 9. Do this question number 9. Okay. So 0 minus 0 we will get 0. And 6 minus 3 we will get 3. And 2 minus 1 we will get 1. 130. Okay. Great. Now let us move toward your book exercise. There is nothing new in this book exercise. All the concept, all the question, all the type of question that is given here, we have just discussed in these two worksheets. Okay. Now, still let us solve some of the question. We will do some of the 4-digit question which are having 4 digit. So I will start with this question. So 5879 minus 2567. 5879 minus 2567. So we will start from ones position. Now 9 minus 7. Count after 7. After how many steps we will get 9? Count after 7. 8, 9, 2. Now 7 minus 6. We will get 1. 8 minus 5. We will get 3. And 5 minus 2. We will get 3. So our answer will be 3312. 3312. Okay kids. So now the concept of subtraction without regrouping is clear to you all. Okay. Now I would like to tell you one more thing. Suppose numbers are given like this: 1421 minus 1111. So, it is necessary to write the greater number first. Greater number. Compare the number and write the greater number. And below the greater number, you will write the smaller number. And this concept of greater number and smaller number, we have also understood this with the help of different term like minuend for the greater number, this will be 1. Subtrahend for the smaller number and the difference for the answer. So always remember to write greater number above and smaller number below it. Okay. And one more thing. It is also necessary to write number according to their place value. Okay. Once you will write the number according to their place value, your answer will never get wrong. Okay. So kids, today we have understood the concept of subtraction without regrouping. Tomorrow we will do subtraction with regrouping.